In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Quest 2 or even a Quest 3 or any other model, you can connect your PlayStation 5 controller. Games that have PlayStation controller support will use it as soon as it is connected. So to set up this connection, you will have to do it over Bluetooth. So the best way to get this done is over Bluetooth. You can attempt to do this using a cable, but it isn't the best method for this particular controller. So what you have to do is press and hold the PlayStation and the share button simultaneously. When you press both of these buttons down for a few seconds, it will enable Bluetooth pairing mode. You will see this because the light bar will start flashing rapidly, indicating that it is searching for nearby devices to pair with. So now, put on your headset, go into the settings, and access the devices category on your Oculus Quest 2. When you go inside of devices, you will see the option to enable or disable Bluetooth pairing. All that you have to do is make sure that this option is set to on. So go over to the toggle and enable it if needed. Once Bluetooth pairing mode has been enabled, you are basically good to go. The PlayStation 5 controller should appear on the list of available devices, and if you select it, it will now be used when you go into any game that has native support. Keep in mind that the game must support PlayStation controllers, or overall it must support controllers. If you go inside of a specific game or application that doesn't have controller support, then nothing will happen. But connecting it is simple. It can be done over Bluetooth, and once the connection has been established, it is going to be set up this way. It is easy to do, and once it is connected once, it will remain like this until it runs out of battery. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.